today I wanted to share with you these little tablets for a dishwasher like this one to wash baby bottles, breast pump parts, whatever. But first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent these to me in exchange for sharing my thoughts and opinions on them with you. So this box comes with 130 in there, and inside of them they actually come with these packets. These packets are actually filled with the little bitty tablets, and they're resealable. So when you're using a machine like this one, this is GROWNSY's bottle washing machine that you can also use for like breast pump parts, little plates, cups, silverware, stuff like that. You can use this. When you go to use this, you need to put some detergent in there, and these are perfect for that. As you can see, there is a bunch in there, but all you need is just one for one cycle of this machine. And they almost kind of remind me of like Tums. But anyways, yeah, it makes it so, it just like takes out some of the guesswork or whatever when determining the detergent that you need for this. When you are using this machine or other machines like it, you can just simply pop in one of these tablets, start the machine, and you are good to go. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.